Managed services is a term that, although the application of that particular service and support has been around for a while, the term has been more in vogue lately. And it really is a synonymous term of a fixed cost support solution, and it's based out of service levels. So typically the customer looks at having or sustaining a certain amount of service, or a level of service, and that provider that gives him that type of service gives it to him at a specific or fixed cost over time. One of the biggest challenges companies have today, you see the changing economy and challenges that come with things changing in the market, really, being competitive and so on. It's a must. Companies need to be competitive. And so the management of cost, item very important, streamlining of operations, the flexibility of operations, the ability to take flex and surge based, again, depending on the company. Some companies do a lot of merger and acquisition to stay ahead. Managed services becomes a tool by which companies can essentially look at how they're doing business today in order to streamline that effectively now. But what I mean by that is companies try to predict cost better. Managed services provides that as an alternative. If you as a customer have the ability to rely on a third party, on a managed service provider per se, a big part of that worry goes away. One of the good things too about Insight is that we're not huge. And we like that way because we're nimble, we're flexible, and we're a company that really cares about their customers. And the service we provide and the reflection we have in our customers liking the things we do is because we're the kind of guys that if there's a problem, we'll be right there and then. Sometimes that you don't find in the larger companies. But customers do want to make sure that they're consuming what they need to consume, that they're agile, and they're saving as they do it.